Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll learn how to do preprocessing. So here you can see these are the Python libraries that we are going to use in this project. So before moving ahead, first we need to fetch data from SQL Server to Pandas. So for that, here we need to type that is connection string so that we can read data from the SQL Server. So here you can see con connect string, driver name is ODBC driver 17 for SQL Server, and server name is, this is my server name. To get the server name from the SQL Server, so for that you need to open your SQL Server apps, and after that you need to click on this and right click on it, and after that you can see call properties, click on over here, and after that you can see like this, just select and copy it and paste it here, and here you can see the database. So here you can see my database name is base data. So to get the your database name, so for that again open your SQL Server. So moment, that is, here you can see this database, and here you can see I have number of database out here. So currently I'm using this database base data, and now you can see UID. This is the username of the SQL Server. So to get the username of the SQL Server, so for that again go back to the SQL Server apps, and here you can see call the security. Click on security, and after that here you can see login. Click on login, and after that here you can see it look like this SA, and here you can see password. This is the password that need to mention. So if you don't know how to set password in SQL Server, so for that I have already explained in a video, the link in the below. So now, and after that you need to click on here, run this cell, and after that here we need to establish the connection. So for that type here mouse, that is OK, equal to pyodbc dot connect, and I'll pass this string cont string, and click on here, and now to read the data, that means data from the SQL Server from the table. So for that here we need to type this query, there is select static from there is DBO to get the table name. So for that again go back to the SQL Server, and here you can see again click on database, and after that here you can see there is database name that I use currently. Click on here, and after that here you can see this is the table name, this is dbo.df SQL Server, sorry, order, and here I need to mention dbo.df order orders, and click on here. Now to read the data from the SQL Server to Pandas, so for that we need to type df equal to pd dot read SQL, and after I'll pass this mouse, and of course then I need to type this query mouse, I'll pass this OK, and click on here. So let me read the data df to the data df dot head and click on here. So here you can see this is my data. So first we need to remove, there is duplicate data. So for that df dot drop underscore duplicate in place and click on here. Now to check the missing value, so for that df dot is null total, that is sum, and click on again, run this cell. So here you can see, in here you can see country, and here I have missing value, and here this is meal, there is no any, whatever you are seeing this is 0, that means there is no missing value. Here you can see agent, company, and also here you can see the children also. So here, so to remove for this all the missing value, for that we need to type, that is df again drop now in place, that is equal to true, and click on here. So now let me check again, that is whether it is available or not, this missing value. So for that df dot is null, that is total sum. Here you can see there is no more missing value because already I remove all the missing value. To convert categorical data into binary form or numerical form, so for that we'll use, that is sklearn libraries. So before that we need to check, that is data type. To check data type, that is df dot d types, and click on here, and here you can see a number of categorical data in this data set. So here you can see from the beginning, I'm going to show you here. Hotel, we have object, this is categorical. Whatever you are saying, this all are under the categorical data. So for that, what we need to do this, we are going to loop through all this categorical data so that we can convert to the numerical data or binary form here. So you need to type from sklearn.preprocessing import label encoder, and after that list of the categorical columns. So here you can see hotel. So first what have to do this, you need to type categorical underscore column. Okay, maybe you can mention this is maybe columns also, it will be enough. That is not necessary that need to type this, but according to you. And also if you're after that, but make sure that you need to loop all the categorical data, that means column name. This is the column name, hotel, arrival, date, month, meals, and country. Okay, so these are the like column name of categorical data. So I'm going to show again. Here you can see there is, here you can see, you can check yourself. Okay, and after that what we need to do this, we need to initialize the label encoder. So for that label underscore encoder, after that label encoder, and after that applying the label encoding to the each categorical column. Here you can see for column in categorical and underscore column, and after that data, that is instead of data here you can I'm going to change, that is df and columns, so that we can access the current column. Okay, so after that here df. Okay, here also we need to change this, and after that click on here. That means now already we have convert into the categorical, sorry, numerical data or binary form. So let me check again, this is df dot types, and click on here, df, sorry, there is, click on here. So here you can see there is no more adjust categorical data. So this is, in this way you can do pre-processing. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, because to make this video it takes a lot of effort. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.